You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. By the way, if you want to learn more names of famous brand names, from fashion included, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. It's from French. The French pronunciation is Maison Flâneur. Maison Flâneur. The pronunciation in English, or how you can easily say it in English if you cannot pronounce French perfectly, is at Maison Flâneur. Maison Flâneur, from French pronunciation, how to pronounce Maison Flâneur. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.